write me up and say it's love, and I can't believe I can't leave me tonight in detention. I can feel your blood pressure rise. Fuck this tension. Let me crawl up into your mind. Did I mention pretend? Hello, my pandas.
How's my panda?
So today we're gonna be playing. Oh, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. So today we're gonna be playing catch the ball. So I got my ball and my sister's gonna eat first, but I'm gonna show you tricks with these balls. I'm just gonna stand up and I try to do volleyball here. Woo! Okay, I'm back. Okay. I like to play soccer. Well, not really, but I like volleyball better. We play soccer at school, but I'm not really good at running with it. But I see my this. Oh no, I got it. Do it again. Okay, like this. Oh no, it's like side to side, like. So yeah. Then score. And I like to do basketball with these. I gotta dribble really fast. Ow. I have to dribble to get to the basket. Okay. Score! Wait, I'm gonna wait until my sister is done eating. Also, my brother is awake. I can play with him.
Wala nga nakagam. Wala, matinag.
Help me. Okay. Okay, we're gonna play that one. Andre, come on, catch. Why is he laughing? Andre, catch. Catch. Well, this is useless. Andre! Come here, sit down. You have to throw the ball, okay? So, throw the ball. Boop, bonk. And I catched it. Bonk. And I catched it. Then, bonk. Catched it. Bonk. Well, this is the saddest. What? Well, this is the saddest part. Wait, someone's talking. Hello, Papa.
Is mommy here?
No, Papa.
She's working. Mommy.
Mom.
Mommy.
Well, the saddest part is my sister doesn't want to play with me. Like, that's the saddest part ever. But my brother, he's still eating. And I got this plate. I better end this right now. I'm really sad. Because my sister is not really playing. But yeah. Bye, guys. Bye, my pandas. And see you later. Bye. Wait, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, everyone.